Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I have a really fun cut crease makeup look, and if you are interested in seeing how I accomplish it, then stick around with me and keep watching. And if you do enjoy today's video, be sure to hit the like button, and of course, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Now that my eye is nice and prepped and ready for shadows, I'm quickly going to build a nice brown shade into my crease. Now I want to have a really nice sharp edge here, so I'm going to put some tape down and then begin building the colorful crease. So I'm going to start with some pink and then build into red and lastly some purple. Now for this look, you don't have to use these Valentine colors that I use. You could use any colors that you want. So you can change this up however you see fit and then just keep blending those colors till they're really nice and seamless. Once you've accomplished that, we're going to go ahead and move on to cutting the crease. So I picked up a concealer and a concealer brush, and then I just pack on the concealer on my lid. I do open my eye, and then I actually did go even higher than I usually would because I have very hooded eyes, so I really wanted to see that nice colorful cut crease there. So I just built it higher than usual, and then I packed on a really beautiful champagne shimmer shadow. Now that that's all nice and packed on, and I just took a smaller detailed brush to kind of edge it in, I'm now going to move on to my eyeliner, and today I went with a really nice mid wing. Now that both of my eyes are caught up, I'm quickly off camera going to go ahead and get my face all nice and concealed and set and contour and blush. All right, now for the under eye. My camera, for some reason, I forgot to hit record. So what I did was I very sloppily added a brown shade on the bottom, added a dark brown to the outer corner, and then blended it out. There, I quickly did some mascara, top and bottom, and then I added some magnetic lashes. I've actually been really enjoying these lately. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my face, give it a little fan, and then after I set my face, I love adding my highlight. One of my fave highlights right now is from Milk Cosmetics. It's called Stargazer. So I'm going to hit all the sweet spots. Bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, my cheekbones, sexy time the Cupid's bow, and now the lip. I kept today a really nice glossy lip. So first I add a nice nude pencil, fill in my lips completely, and then add that gloss right over the top of it. And that is it. This is the finished look with the cut crease. So I hope all of you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, I hope you guys come back next Monday and join me for another video. Take care.